So regarding dealing with SBA and the damaged home, whether you should keep it and repair it or get rid of it and buy another one. Some people have opted to build on their own property to replace the damaged home. If you do that, SBA will want the damaged home to be torn down. Even if your county will allow you to have multiple homes on your property, even if you are agricultural, it doesn't matter. SBA's rules are if you accept their funds and you build on the property, you have to tear down the damaged house, even if it was minimally damaged. They don't want you double dipping. They don't want you turning around and having more than what you started out with. Their purpose is to just give you exactly what you had before. So you will really have to decide what's better for you. They will offer you funds to either repair the home or replace the home. And if you choose to repair the home, well, then the funds that they give you may not be quite as much as it would be to replace the home. But at the same time, you're getting to keep your home. So it's kind of a very situational, very specific for each person. If you do replace the house that was damaged, you will lose the house that was damaged to SBA one way or the other. That's just their rules. That's what they want. Now, how much they police that, I do not know. But I know for us personally, we wouldn't want to live wondering if they were going to drop by one day and ask if we abused the process. So for us, it just didn't make financial sense to use their money, so far anyways, to replace our home. So just keep that in mind. They don't want you double dipping and ended up with double of what you had before the damage occurred.